booking that trip, okay? Just you, nobody else. And book the trip solo. Can make a spa day. You can go to the park. You can have a picnic. When I went on my solo trip, I decided to go to LA, but that was like my biggest solo trip ever. Before I went to that trip to LA, I would go out to eat by myself. I would go to the park by myself. I would just do things just by myself, and it's like I didn't even care. It would just be me, myself, and I had the greatest time ever. I didn't worry about, oh, someone's looking at me. Book your trip, do everything that you want to do. Write it down, look at prices. You don't even have to spend so much. You could go to free things, okay? And to be honest, it'll be a whole lot cheaper because it's just you. You could pick out your favorite food. You could pick out a new food. You could try a new drink. You could try a new dessert. And the main thing is blocking everybody else out. Enjoying your own company. A lot of people cannot do that. A lot of people cannot sit with themselves and be in their own company. A lot of people can't even be in a relationship with themselves. They always need someone. So the fact that you can master self-discovery, self-dating, solo trip, plan another solo trip. Solo trips are super, super essential. You need them. And you learn, when you go on this solo trip by yourself, you're gonna learn so much about yourself. Like, oh my God, like, I'm really my own best friend. I'm really my own lover. I really enjoy my time. I really enjoy me. These are the things that you're gonna be saying. It's like, dang, I'm a whole vibe. I'm a whole experience, okay? I am T experience. I am the experience, okay? Can you be with yourself? Can you seriously be with yourself? Do you even like yourself, for real? Hey, can I go to a restaurant by myself? Can I go to the spa by myself? Can I go to the coffee shop? Just these different things that you could just do by yourself. You learn so much about you, and you be like, wait, I don't even need people. And you can't think like, oh my God, they're looking at me, or oh my God, I look lonely. To be honest, when you go out alone, you'll be surprised how much attention you get. You'll be surprised how much people talk to you. You can write all the things that you want to do in a jar, and each week or each month or each day, if you choose to, you could just pick from it. So it's not like you're like, oh, I don't want to do this. It's like, no, put it in a glass jar, put it in a jar, shake it up, and each time you just pick from it. Like, oh, today I'm going to go for a hike by myself. One thing I did not do, I did not go to the movies yet. I have not been to the movies yet by myself, but that is a goal. Create this whole itinerary from morning to night of what you're going to do. And you are going to love it. Trust me. That is like the highest of the highest of the highest of self-discovery, of self-love, okay? Self-loving you, appreciating you, understanding you, being there for you, because you versus you. I love myself so much. I could see why my love is exhausting, addictive, overwhelming, too much, not enough. Whatever. Leave a comment in below. Let me know, where did you go on your solo trip? My biggest solo trip is when I went to LA. That was amazing. Vlog coming really soon, so stay tuned.